Hey tech nerds, Lily here at StartmeupHK, and I'm speaking to Zain Rana, who's the CEO of health tech startup Pharmeum. How are you finding the conference today?
It's great. Lots of innovative minds here, loads of great companies. Really good way to get into the Hong Kong area for a health tech company.
Yeah, so you guys are based in the UK, right? So what
Yeah.
brings you to Hong Kong today?
So we were looking to bring more exposure of our company in Hong Kong and in general in Asia. So we thought this would be a fantastic conference. We've heard loads about health tech O2O, so we thought, yeah, why not?
Yeah. So you'll be taking to the stage later, right, to tell us all about what Pharmeum is and how blockchain plays into healthcare. So
Yeah.
can you give us a little sneak peek about why we should be excited about that?
I think it's amazing what blockchain's doing for healthcare. The applications that blockchain has is enormous, and healthcare is one of the best ones. And I really think that when we present on stage and we present all these conferences, it increases the exposure that blockchain isn't just what people assume it to be. It's a payment system, etc.
Right.
And it's revolutionizing healthcare as we know it. The way we see healthcare today, it'll be completely different in the next 10 years, and a lot of that will be due to blockchain technology.
Okay, so where does Pharmeum come into the space? Is it sort of, are you doing like patient records? Are you sort of tackling services for healthcare providers, or what's the space that you guys?
So we're focusing on medical data being
Okay.
transmitted on a global level. Within that consists of digital prescriptions and all of the sorts associated with that. So really creating an entire intelligent healthcare system that's built around the patient. Patients are more empowered with the decisions they make, transferring the data at their own will, more affordable medication, minimize medical errors, etc. And we're doing that using the latest technology, so it's really exciting what we're accomplishing right now.
Right. So instead of old school paper records that don't go with you,
Exactly.
that are less secure, not tracked, right? All of a sudden, you, the patient, have access to all your information at your fingertips in something that's secure.
Yeah,
right?
much more secure. I mean, so if we're talking about state-of-the-art security,
Yeah.
medical data is becoming more and more valuable as the years go by, and the demand for it will increase by cyber criminals, hackers, etc. So having that encrypted state-of-the-art security will only become inevitable as the years go on, and what blockchain allows for is exactly that.
Yeah.
So that's where it comes into healthcare.
Yeah. So how long has Pharmeum been around?
So we've been around since 2017. We
Okay.
haven't started much marketing campaigns in 2017. We're mainly building the platform, working on testing different technologies and how we can incorporate all that, what exactly we're solving and how we're going to do it. We were really trying to produce actual product and have actual results before coming across in the marketing. So it's less of a theory and more of a product, really.
Right. And so for yourself then, how did you get into this? Were you always a tech nerd? So did you come in from the programming side, or did you start in the healthcare industry?
I started in a bit of both. So
Okay.
I've always been on the tech side of everything. So whether it was when I was younger, when it was games, or as I got older and working on different technologies, I've always been, I guess, tech savvy. And I come from a strong healthcare background. So my father was a doctor.
Okay.
I've managed private clinics in the UK. I graduated as a first class graduate in biomedical science in the UK. So I come from both backgrounds. I guess Pharmeum was a perfect combination of both. So I mean, yeah, the rest is history.
Yeah, so managing to spin that sort of your upbringing and your background and all the things that you're interested in into a nice little package.
I guess when it's like that, you're really passionate about the project. So yeah, definitely.
All right, awesome. Well, thank you so much for speaking to us, Zain. So subscribe to the channel below and stay tuned for more updates. We'll be here all week in Hong Kong for Start Me Up HK.